Good morning. It's a gorgeous morning. Oh, cheers. But we have very strange weather. It was sticky and humid and disgusting for the last couple of days. And today, I think we're like 15 degrees lower, which is wild. So I finally got my hair cut. Yay! I feel like a brand new person. Why is that? Why is it always like that? It's not a lot of hair that was chopped off. So same ordeal for me personally is that I don't know if she cut enough because, and I'm in the same dress by the way. As long as you wash it, I'm trying to get as much wear from it as I can before it gets cold and I'm not able to wear the dresses anymore. So I'm using it as much as I can. Well, I'm wearing it as much as I can. But I did get a haircut. It was last week. I don't know how I feel about it just yet because I washed my hair today and I tried to put the front in curlers. But because it's still humid and sticky in my house and I was running around, I was getting ready, you're not gonna believe it, I had 3 huge bags. I have my usual bag, which is the black one, my go-to for the whole day, fits my whole life. Then I had my regular tote with stuff in it. I have to do returns. I am going to Victoria's Secret. I did a video on the unboxing of the Love Shack Fancy, but half of the stuff I'm not keeping because it's that other design that I don't want. So I opened the design that I'm keeping, but the other one I am not. I do not like to prolong the returns. So if I need to return something, I try my best to do it right away. I don't want stuff in my house. If I'm not keeping it, I get rid of it. I need it to be cleaner or clean. But so I'm returning, and then I also had a bunch of sales. I sold a lot of stuff over the weekend. This morning, so I had to package that and I dropped it off. It was too much. Like I said, it was 3 huge bags, so I just want to get rid of those. And I was in a rush because there was people waiting in line, so I couldn't film it. But so I got rid of 1.5 bags and I still have the half. I'm gonna get rid of that when I do the return to Victoria's Secret. How do I feel about my haircut? I do not know. I'm gonna check it out late in the day when it like drops down and kind of I get a picture of the whole haircut. It's not bad. I already feel that it's not bad. She didn't take too much stuff from the front, so like the front bangs or the front swoops. So I might fix that myself, just a couple of, like even maybe half an inch, at most an inch. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna see tonight. The back she did cut, so I'm glad about that. I have a lot of dead ends and a lot of, not in split ends, it's dead and it's super dry because of the coloring, and I didn't take care of it for a while. Now I'm back to it, so I'm happy. It's not worse than what they did in Canal Street. This is in Brooklyn that I did, but it's not bad and it's cheaper, so I can't complain. Good morning. It's a beautiful next day morning. Just trying to see if there's anybody behind me. But I checked out last night I came home, checked out my haircut, and I'm pretty happy about it. It's better than it was before the haircut. So I am happy that I got a trim, I got a cut, the dead stuff is gone. And then on top of it, it's not a bad haircut. And the price is even better. So finally going somewhere today where I've been wanting to go all summer. I figured if I don't go one of these days, I will not go there at all. And then it's gonna be fall and the leaves fall down. You got a hint there, but you'll see. We are in meatpacking. You might have guessed it, we're going to one of the parks. Wanted to finish up the subject on the haircut, and I'm gonna shut up, is the reason why I'm not as excited as I should be, since it's a haircut, it's new, it's fresh, is because I still had to do a little bit of my own work. Yesterday I washed it, and usually I need to see, like, by the end of the evening how it lays, how it sits, like if it actually worked out, just so that it gets its natural groove, right? By the end of the day, that's when you see the real hair, at least in my personal experience. So when I looked at it, everything's fine except my front little sweat bangs. She didn't really cut enough. I told her to cut off, and I showed her, and I told her to cut off at least an inch. She cut off. She literally found the only long hair, and by that one long hair she did an inch, and it was the only hair. So technically all the other ones were cut much less than an inch. Oh, what is this? That's so cool. Let me show you. Superman. As I was saying, so because it was a little bit so long, I didn't like how they were sitting there, so I went in on my own. I do have a whole set of scissors, and I just chopped off just a tiny bit what was supposed to be chopped off in the first place in the salon, but they didn't, so that's okay. That is okay. And I think it came out decent. And since last time we went the front way, that way, this time I'm gonna go this way just to get a different angle. That's downtown, World Trade Center. My bad. That was too loud. So last time I was here, it wasn't all this green, and I said that I'm gonna come back. I realized, as I said before, that if I don't come back these days, it's all gonna go away once again, and then I have to wait for the next summer to see all the beautiful greenery. And I think we're gonna take the easy route, all that little zigzagging. We're gonna go to the new spot, but just wanted you so that piano was really cool, and I did not see it the last time. I don't know if it was there or if that was something new, but this is the main entrance, and I do not think that we were in this spot. Just saw a beautiful butterfly. I think this is the easy route. I should have taken it the last time. This is more like a slower pace or easier pace on the knees compared to the last time when I took the stairs. Which is nice. Longer, but still scenic. Still beautiful. And we have the little, you are getting sleepy. And from here you have the view. Yeah, this is different. So it's not the same spot as before. I thought it was just gonna reroute me to that spot, but no, this is different. Okay. And these are the stairs, but at least we're going down them. What a gorgeous day.